Weather Service. The National Weather Service in the San Francisco Bay Area has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Pigeon Point to Point Pinos, California out to 10 nautical miles, coastal waters from Point Pinos to Point Piedras Blancas, California out to 10 nautical miles, Monterey Bay, waters from Pigeon Point to Point Pinos 10 to 16 nautical miles, waters from Point Pinos to Point Piedras Blancas 10 to 16 nautical miles, until 1 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 12:25 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, showers were located along a line extending from 13 knots to Sobrones Point, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong winds will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.